Hello and welcome to my presentations. First of all, let me thank you, my assessor, Prof. SRTS Dr. Ting Kian Hua, for spending time to watching my recorded presentations. Let me introduce myself. I am Abi Quinta Anak Genter from class AP225 6B code DW RES 655_6A_1 under supervisions Sir Haji Azhar Abdul Razak. The title of my academic project is to determine the resident certifications level toward facilities management service. My case study on Puncak 7 resident condominium. Let's move to introductions of my academic project. FM is describing by the International Facility Maintenance Associations as a recollection of disciplines that assure the correct operations of the built environment by combining people, locations, system, and informations. Furthermore, Shanghai 2013 claimed that a lack of early FM participations during the pre-constructions stage may result in difficulties with the incorrect uses of building equipment and materials. Next, I will discuss on problem statement. As a service industry, the degree of management in facilities management has a direct impact on the service quality of the facilities management firm, which can be seen in service quality certifications and complaint rate. Moreover, difficult to identify the current level of the FM service and which of the quality service dimensions or attributes of the facility FM service contribute to the overall resident certifications level. Point, I will list the research objective. First is to study the determinate facilities management service. Second is to ascertain resident certification in facilities management. Third is to develop a list of the main aspect of facility management service that have significant impact on resident certification level. I will proceed to the research methodology part. Chapter 1, 2, and 3 are theoretical framework research. Chapter 1 describe the background of studies generally. Through it, research questions will be identified and detailed the explanations of research that is being conducted, inclusive of summary of each chapter rated in academic project. Chapter 2 explain the literature review of this research with more detail. This chapter will describe in detail about the introductions, important definitions, variable from previous study, opinion of expert, and others material related. Chapter 3 will explain research methodology that will provide more detailed explanations on methodology used for the research. In Chapter 4, we'll conduct the analysis and finding of research. The analysis and finding will be presentations of result, interpretations of result, and discussion of finding. Last but not least, Chapter 5 will explain the conclusions and recommendation of research. This is the list of the methodology under Chapter 3. It included a research problem, research strategy, research approach, research design, research process, data collection, primary data, questionnaire, data analysis, simple random sampler method, and study area. Next, we move to finding. First is demography. In this part, show that 38.3% of the participants in the study are parcel owner, while the remaining 61.7% are tenants. As a result, more tenants responded participating in this survey, with a 23.4% difference equal to 2 respondents. This part of finding is these sections will be presented. Majority respondents certified, with the 28 respondents and only 1 person not certified. Next is swimming pool, with 27 respondents then certified but 1 respondent not certified. Next is facilities of parking space. The number of respondents who choose certified level was 26, and the lowest level is not certified, with 5 respondents. Next is signage. The number of respondents who choose certified level was 25, and the lowest level is not certified, with 7 respondents. Next slide is the number of respondents who choose certified level with fire extinguisher was 32 respondents, and the lowest level is only 1 respondent that choose not certified. Next is the highest 21 respondents choose average level on facility provided of Wi-Fi, and the lowest is strongly certified with 6 respondents. For facility on lobby is average and certified level, same total with 26 respondents, and lowest is not certified with 3 respondents. Next is facilities of staircase or fire exits. The highest level is 27 respondents that choose certified level, and the lowest is not certified with 11 respondents choose strongly certified level. Next is facilities of mailbox. The number of respondents who choose certified level was 21, and the lowest level is 7 respondents choose not certified level. Is lamp corridor with highest level is certified with 24 respondents, and lowest is strongly not certified with 1 respondent. Next figure is finding machine. The average and the certified level is same total with 24 respondents, and the lowest level is strongly not certified with 1 respondent. Next is surround with 25 respondents is average level, and lowest level is not certified with 2 respondents. For part of security and safety of CCTV is the highest level is certified with 23 respondents, and the lowest level is 3 respondents not strongly not certified. The highest majority of respondents, the average level is 27 respondents on the cut access system, and the lowest level is not certified with 3 respondents. Next slide is the highest majority of respondents that are certified is 30 respondents on the 24-hour security guard as a type of security and safety, and the lowest is at respondent on strongly certified. Next is the highest majority of respondents that were certified is 28 respondents, while the lowest is the strongly certified is 7 respondents for smoke alarm. The highest majority of respondents that average level is 26 respondents choose BBQ pits and picnic area as a type of landscape and visual certification level, and the lowest is 6 respondents who choose not certified. Next is the highest majority of respondents, the average level is 28 respondents who choose jacuzzi, but 3 respondents who are not certified. Next figure is the highest majority of respondents, that average level is 25 respondents who choose children playground, but only 4 respondents who are not certified. This slide, the highest majority of respondents, the average level is 23 respondents who choose garbage collection room as the type of cleaning certifications level, but the lowest total respondent who not certified is 8 respondents. And then the highest majority of respondents, the average level is 27 respondents who choose road area as a type of cleaning certification level, but the lowest level is not certified with only 1 respondent. The respondent who choose clubhouse as the type of cleaning certification level is the highest majority of respondents, that average level is 27 respondents, and the lowest level is only 1 respondent on strongly not certified on cleaning service all type. The highest majority of respondents that certified the level is 25, but the lowest level is strongly certified with 6 respondents. Next is the highest majority of respondents that average level is 22 respondents on electrical and water service, and the lowest level is strongly certified with 8 respondents. Next slide is the highest majority of respondents that average level is 26 respondents, while the lowest is the strongly not certified is only 1 respondent for corridor area. Next is the highest level is certified level with 28 respondents on plumbing service, but 7 respondents only strongly certified level. For waste disposal service is the highest level is average level with 23 respondents, but only 1 respondent choose strongly not a certified level. Next point is the highest majority of respondents that is certified the level is 26 respondents, but the total of strongly certified is 6 respondents who choose utilities and amenities service. Next figure is the highest majority of respondents, the average level is 23 respondents. For fogging and sanitize level, the lowest is only 1 respondent on strongly not certified. Okay, in this section, we present the analysis of recommendation and suggestion in open question on the Google form at Puncak 7 Resident Condominium. The question for this section about suggestion and recommendation to increase the overall satisfaction level among residents toward facilities management service. In this section, the respondents have rated their suggestions and recommendation to improve the building and facilities provided. There are 60 respondents who give their suggestion to this building, and others respondents are not interested to give their suggestion. Some of the respondents provided suggestions unrelated to this study. Mostly the respondents gave similar suggestions related to the building. This is table below show the majority of suggestions and recommendations. As mentioned in Chapter 1, this research has set 3 main objectives where every research is important to achieve. There are each of the research. This research can be considered as one of the successful research projects to be able to rank all the objectives outlined guarded by methodology and systematic research. Based on data collections, analysis, and discussion from previous chapter, the result was gathered and made in one question in form that to find certification level. Objective was to study the facilities management service is to obtain the result. The researcher used literature review and observations at Puncak 7 residence to study the facilities management service. For objective 2 is to ascertain resident certification in facilities management. As a result, in the housing sector, resident certification with housing facility provided by private companies has become one of the investigations of the relationship between an individual citizen housing especially and its influences on their overall certifications when affordability play a mediating roles. Objective 3 is to develop a list of the main aspects of facility management service that have significant impact on resident certification level. The summary for data analysis show that the highest certifications of facilities provided at Puncak 7 resident is fire extinguisher, followed by 24-hour security guard. Majority users are dissatisfied with cleaning service for all type. The user are also dissatisfied with the plumbing system service. From the result of observation in data analysis, the researcher is satisfied with the facilities provided at Puncak 7 resident. All the facilities management service were maintenance and safe for user to use in their daily life. As mentioned in Chapter 1, this research has set 3 main objectives where every research is important to achieve. There are each of the research. This research can be considered as one of the successful research projects to be able to rank all the objectives outlined guarded by methodology and systematic research. Based on data collections, analysis, and discussion from previous chapter, the result was gathered and made in one question in form that to find certification level. Objective was to study the facilities management service is to obtain the result. The researcher used literature review and observations at Puncak 7 residence to study the facilities management service. For objective 2 is to ascertain resident certification in facilities management. As a result, in the housing sector, resident certification with housing facility provided by private companies has become one of the investigations of the relationship between an individual citizen housing especially and its influences on their overall certifications when affordability play a mediating roles. Objective 3 is to develop a list of the main aspects of facility management service that have significant impact on resident certification level. The summary for data analysis show that the highest certifications of facilities provided at Puncak 7 resident is fire extinguisher, followed by 24-hour security guard. Majority users are dissatisfied with cleaning service for all type. The user are also dissatisfied with the plumbing system service. From the result of observation in data analysis, the researcher is satisfied with the facilities provided at Puncak 7 resident. All the facilities management service were maintenance and safe for user to use in their daily life.